Welcome guys to the next lesson. Welcome to our video, our YouTube channel, whereby we are teaching you how to play the Rubik cube. My name is Joseph. Those who don't know me, and I show you the easiest way you can be able to play the Rubik cube without missing it. In our previous lesson, if you have not watched our previous lesson, you better go and watch. We learned how to do the base, how to be able to orientate the cross, to put the cross from the top, and I brought the cross to the bottom of the view, the cube, and also how we were able to play and finish off the bottom of the cube. So in the next lesson, I will show you how to put the 4 of these clips of the corners. I'll show you how to put these 4 corners so that you can be able to complete solve the mineral layer of this cube. So welcome back and see you now in this lesson. Now, I hope with the previous video you are able now to practice and you can be able to do the base up to this level without any problem. And you must have practiced on many times. And even if you fail, you cannot learn it just once. You need to practice more and more so that you can be able to learn it. So if you have not practiced that, please better go back to that video, which I will put the link on top here, and then you can be able to learn how to do that, so that you can be able now to come to the second layer. You cannot be able to learn to play the cube if you miss one step. You need to always perfect that one step before you go to the next step. Now we're in the step whereby we want to do the mineral layer of the cube. So now these 4 corners, because already you can see we solved the mineral. The mineral we solved from the previous lesson. The mineral was solved. So we only have these 4 corners, this corner, and this corner. Where do we get these corners? Actually, these corners you get them from the top of your cube. Yeah, this corner. These are the 4 corners which are supposed to come corresponding to this. But you only need to get the corners that already don't have the yellow color on top. Because this one with the yellow color, it will be at this corner facing up. So you get the ones without the yellow corner. They are the corners that come in the middle. So if I check on my cube already here, I can get 2. I can get this one, which is having blue and pink, and this other one having red and green. So these are the 2 first ones we need to start to know how to play. So how do we play them? So if I pick the one now with the pink and blue, this one pink and blue at the side and pink on the top. This one now I want to play it so that it will come on this side. It will come here. Actually, the green. No, this one will come on. It will come on this side. The pink, but it will come here. The pink will be here, and the blue will be where the blue corner center is. So to know how to play it, first of all, need to take it you have to align it with the center first. So we move it fast, slowly, and we align it with the center. Once it is aligned with the center, once we have aligned it with the center, you hold it facing you, that side is facing you. Then you look at the top and see which color is at the top. Which color is at the top is the one which will direct you which direction you are going to play it. Whether you are going to use it on your right or left hand. But now you check this pink, it is this color, this side. So because this one you are holding it facing like this, and you have seen that pink is on this side, you will need to point with your finger like this. This finger that I'm pointing with, it is telling me 2 things. First, I will need to move this cube away, 1 step away on this direction. So I will do that and move it 1 step away. Number 2, it is telling me the same finger that I pointed with, that this is the side I need to do my 1, 2, 3 play. So using this hand. So I will do it 1, 2, the way we did in the first class, 3. See? Now I've done that. One thing has happened. If you look at the bottom, sorry guys. Look at the bottom, I've already lost one of my whites. And we said that every time you play, take care of the bottom. Don't destroy the bottom anymore. So the idea here is always to make the bottom, all the time your work is to make the bottom as original as it was. So where this one has gone, look for it and return it immediately before you do anything else. So you come, you look at the cube, you find it came here. When you did the move, this is where it came. So, and it is a pink, so you orientate it back to your thing slowly. And then it has orientated the pink, but now it's facing on my left side of the hand. So I need to use this left side to play the same. So I will do my 1, 2, 3 using my left hand side. So I will do a 1, 2, 3. Note that when I'm doing the 3, the one we had put away, it has come. The one we had sent away in the packing, the center corner, has already also been solved. And we have already also solved our base. So let's do the other one so that you can be able to perfect and run more and see. Now we have another corner that doesn't have a arrow. You always look for the one without a arrow. The ones with the arrow, those ones will remain up. They will be on the last. Those ones tells you they are on the top layer. So the middle ones, these are the corner, this one. Now I have the one with red and green. So this red and green one, I need to orientate it. Fortunately, mine has already orientated at the center with its red. So if this is already orientated, you turn the cube. I told you, let that color now face you. Let it be the one facing your body. So that you have an orientation of the right and the left. And then when you have done that, look at the top. Which color is at the top? Here the color at the top is green. So you check in your cube which side is green. Is it this side? This is blue. This side is green. Always blue is opposite green. So it's this side. So immediately I told you, the moment you see where that color is, point your finger like this. Immediately. That is the one which is going to give you the instructions. The finger will tell you only 2 things. 1, move that ball away 1 step in that direction. So you move it 1 step in that direction. Then it is telling you again, this is the hand now I will use still to do my 1, 2, 3. So I do 1, 2, 3. So once I've done my 1, 2, 3, check down again, I've lost my white. So because I've lost my white, I need now to put back my white. So we come on top, and you always find the white has typically come on the opposite side here, but it's not centered. You look at this, it's not centered on green. So you need to turn it back to center with green, or with the color that is supposed to be the color that it has. So now it has centered with green. Now once it centers, you hold it, that color facing your body. When it faces, now it shows you the white is on my right side. So I will use the right hand side to play now. Then you do the 1, 2, and 3. Note that when I'm doing my 3, I've solved also I've solved my center. No, not my center. I've solved with the center that I put away. So now I have 2 centers, which are this one and this one to play, and then I have solved the center corner. So you just check again on top and check the color. Already the cube that doesn't have a yellow on it. So this one is the one with the red, and blue doesn't have a yellow on it. So this is the one. Now once the color that is facing on this side, you have to orientate it to the center. You move slowly and you find this is the red. So once you have done that, you make sure it faces your body like this. Once it has faced you, this is when now you inspect on top. Which color is on top? Blue. So where is blue? Blue is on the right side of my side here. So the same way with your finger like this. In fact, I tell people to even hit this will move away. So once you have done that pointing with the finger like this, two things only need to happen. The first move is put that thing away. Then do your 1, 2, 3 method. Then immediately you realize that you lost your white again. But you have not lost this very far because it has just come on this side when you did the 1, 2, 3. So all you need to do is orientate it with the mother color and do a 1, 2 again, 3 again, and it will be rectified. So this is blue, this is a blue, or it is with the blue. So you bring it back. Yeah, blue. Then you do the same color again, the same movement. 1, 2, and always use the same word so that you don't get confused. 3. So note that when we have done that, we are already solved. We have solved our color. So now we only have one more. We have one more to play, and we solve the center, which is this one. When you look at the top here, there is only one that is not having a yellow on either side. So it is this one with the pink, and it has a green on the side. So that is the one that's supposed to come here actually. It will come green will be here, and the pink will be here. So that's the right one here. This is where we need to move. It is here, but we need to bring it here. So I will redo it. Just the same formula. You come to it and see which color does it have on the side. The color on the side is green. So where is the green center? So get the green center first. There's the green center. Align it with the green center. So when you align it in the green center, let that color now be the color that is facing you. You face that color. So that you check on the top and see which color is on top. Which color? It is pink. Where is pink? This side is red. Pink is opposite. This is pink. It's on my left side. So for the moment, you point your finger again. So that finger will be very, very dramatic for you to run this. This is the easiest way to know. You will not be asking anybody again. The moment you find this is the color and this is right, just point your finger, hit it like this so that you can feel it. Then do the first thing is this telling you move that color away, one step, move it away like that. So you put it on the parking here, leave it there. Then do your 1, 2, 3 now. 1, 2, 3. Then we roast our white again. And we said we don't want to lose the white at any point because we don't want to destroy our bottom. So if you check in your cube, it has not gone away. It has just gone another step on the right opposite side. So what we do is just to align it with its color, which is a pink color, and then play the 1, 2, 3 and solve it. So this is the pink color, sorry. I don't know how you see it. Okay. This is the pink color. So you move it to where it is where it is. When you see that color, now immediately. So after that, you realize that we have already solved our base. Can you see the base? And we have solved the first now and second layer completely. So the cube now you need to run how to do this up to this level, because this is the only way you will use the only part where you use 1, 2, 3 method. When you come to the top here, that's a different thing. I will show you some 4 algorithms that you use to complete this section of the cube in the next lesson. But before we go to that lesson, now you need to work your cube now from start to this level. If you make a mistake, you repeat and do it. You can throw this video to run. You can do step by step. You can divide it to run the steps so that you will be able to perfect. So you can only run the top layer once you are able to do this, because even on the top layer, if you make a mistake, you will have to start again from the bottom. You will destroy everything up to the bottom, and you will have to need to do it. But the more you do it, actually, the more you perfect. So don't, even when you fail to get it correctly, don't despair. because that alone is going to give you an added advantage. And once you run this, you will be doing it in minutes. You can be able to complete this cube like in very few minutes. My best here personally is 3 minutes. I'm able to do this cube completely. And when I started, I could not even do it even in 1 hour, and so on and so forth. So you need to run it. Now, until I see you in the next lesson, please practice this. Next lesson will only be showing you how to play the cube top layer, which uses 4 algorithms, and once you run those algorithms, it's also very easy to do it here on top. Because either way you do it and you don't destroy you don't actually do the algorithm wrongly, you will not destroy your base of the cube. So until we meet again, guys, see you in the next one, so that you can be able to run out, complete the cube from start to finish. This is Joseph. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. And if you have not watched the previous video, kindly watch it. Thank you very much.